Professor Yote Luis Fombar of Dash Institute of Inspection and Welding Technology, Cameroon, PhD in Quality in Construction, over 16 years of industry experience in the oil and gas manufacturing, fabrication, member of the Weather Training Certification Committee of TWF, Senior Welding Inspector. In fact, Cameroon is quite delighted, okay, to be part of this international competition, the ArcCup International Welding Competition, that is currently unraveling in Beijing, China from October 2024. In fact, it's an international event, okay, that brings together top industry experts in the field of welding that are going to showcase not just talent, skill, okay, but promote culture, okay. And in fact, our team is quite prepared, okay, to put up a brilliant show at this competition. In fact, welding is a highly important industry skill applicable in almost all industry sectors, oil and gas manufacturing, in the aerospace. In fact, see, look at the manufacturing of computers, okay, cars, okay. In fact, welding is highly employed. In fact, during the welding process, okay, the welding process there is both science, okay, and art. And during the welding process, the welder is making use of science, engineering, and technology, and to deposit sound welds, okay, executing the welding procedure specification that is established to a code. And these sound welds deposited must have the desirable mechanical properties that should be able to withstand the service loads of the manufactured or fabricated component. In fact, welding is going to contribute certainly enormously as talking about the industry development across the globe to meet the objectives of the 2030 agenda, as sustainable development goals. And in fact, Cameroon, we particularly very delighted, okay, as we're taking part in this important competition, particularly now that, okay, Cameroon is targeting becoming a newly industrialized and prosperous nation, okay, by 2035. Thank you so very much, and long live Cameroon.